been messing around with Phantom Camera. This is a little YouTube video that I've been watching called Phantom Camera for Godot is awesome. And these are the docs. And it basically is a plug-on for Godot that just takes the pain away from having a nice camera system. So I'm particularly interested in the Camera 3D. Um, where was the demos for this? I believe it was in the GitHub. And like my game, I basically want this framed follow character as demonstrated here. First, you've got to look for Phantom Camera inside the asset lib. So literally just start typing in Phantom. It's the very first one. We download that. We're going to install that. Okie dokie. And then the next thing we need to do is go into project settings and we need to enable Phantom Camera. It's already enabled in my project. So you just check that and it's on. So to get this to work, we have to, I already have my camera system connected to a Marker 3D. That's actually wrong. I don't want that. So I'm going to move my camera out to the root level. I'm just going to delete this. So just ignore that was it. We just need to have a camera 3D at the root. And the next thing we need to do is put a camera host against the camera 3D. You need to do the same thing if you're using a Phantom Camera 2D or in a 2D game. So we do that. And then next thing we need to do is create a Phantom Camera 3D there. And then we don't need to use Camera 3D to control the camera anymore. We use Phantom Camera. And the settings I want my camera to be framed, and I want it to follow my Nightman. Bingo, that's actually it. This is not going to look great. It's following my Nightman, but it's all jank. So to fix that, we need to just tweak the settings that Phantom Camera expose here. And we can just, we've got my cinematic preview here. This is what it looks like. And we're just going to mess around with these settings until it looks right. And I can't actually remember what my settings were. So we're going to do this now. So I think what I want to do is maybe have a bit of offset on this. I think I messed around with some of these settings. There we go, look. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. We want damping on. I'll show you what it looks like without damping. You can't, I don't know if this is coming out well in the stream, but it's proper jank as I'm moving. And putting follow damping on is going to fix that. So let's try that again. Yeah, that's loads better. It's just a much smoother experience as the camera is following my character. Okay, so now I want this to be a little bit more raised, the camera. So I'm just going to try and figure this out now. Adjust the angle of this. Can I do it manually like this? Okay. Oh, that kind of works. Yeah, this is looking loads better. I think I want it a little bit higher. So what was the setting that made it go higher? I think it was the Z. No, it was the Y. Yeah, let's make that a little bit higher. Let's adjust the angle a little bit. Yeah, that's already, I think that's the perspective I want. I think I want to zoom in just a little bit. Just a little bit. Does that zoom in? Yeah. This feels like a pretty sweet camera angle. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. So we can go around, we can attack my characters. Yeah. And how long did that take? Absolutely no time at all.